In this video, I'm using a 156 gallon stock tank to build a Hugelkultur style raised bed. I started out by drilling some holes at the bottom of the stock tank. Then I added some gravel for drainage. Next, I gathered up some old wood and I cut it down to size. Started with some larger pieces, then I moved down to smaller ones. The wood's also going to act as filler, so it could fill the bed with less soil. As the wood rots, it's also going to provide extra nutrients for the bed for years to come. I filled the tank about halfway with wood. Then I added soil on top of that. I used a mixture of about 50-50 compost and soil and used about 7 or 8 cubic feet. The initial watering of the bed should be very heavy. I spent almost 5 minutes with a garden hose in this state. That bed is going to be very thirsty. Next, I found a few scrap pieces of wood that I'm using as stakes. I'm planting beans in this bed too, so I need something to grow on. Finally, I'm laying out all the plants that I'm going to be putting in the bed today. I've got green beans and zucchini in this bed. The green beans should be climbing the stakes that I've batted down into the bed, while the zucchini should be growing out and hopefully not shade out the green beans. Now, this variety of green beans says that it is self-supporting, but as you can see, it doesn't stand up on its own very well. I'm really impressed by how this garden bed came out. I was able to finish this project in under an hour, start to finish, and that includes my prep time and putting tools away. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next week.